Hello everyone, welcome to episode 3 of the show Mimma, where Mum and I cook traditional Italian foods. She cooks. Today we're going to be making Pignolata, which is a traditional festive dessert made of fried dough and honey, and it's also known by other names such as
cicerchiata or struffoli.
So they have different names depending on the region, so other names might be familiar to you. Let's get right into it.
Okay.
Let's start with the dough. You'll need 3 eggs, the zest of an orange, the juice of half an orange, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 cups of flour. Crack the eggs into the bowl, then add the orange zest, sugar and orange juice, and whisk to combine. Sift in your flour a bit at a time, mixing until you get a rough dough. Turn the dough out onto your counter along with any residual flour, and knead until a homogeneous ball forms. Set aside for at least half an hour to relax the gluten. Retrieve your rested dough and roughly cut into 5 pieces, rolling each of them into long sausages. Then cut them into small, gnocchi-sized pieces until you end up with about maybe 16,000 of them. Heat up a pan over medium heat, adding in an artery-clogging quantity of vegetable oil. Then once hot, fry your little dough balls in 2 batches until golden brown, then place in a bowl lined with paper towel. For part 2, we'll be making a simple honey citrus syrup. Add in about half a cup of honey, a tablespoon of sugar, and the juice of the other orange half to a pan over medium heat. Stir to combine and heat until your sugar melts, then add in your fried dough balls and mix thoroughly to combine. Remove onto a serving plate and sprinkle liberally with a proud smattering of rainbow sprinkles. This is not optional, I mean it. Let the whole dish cool completely. This improves the texture, and then devour.
And that is my awesome mum's recipe for Pignolata, which is pretty damn delectable. You can probably tell that these recipes obviously aren't very healthy, and they're probably...
That's why we're fat.
That's why we're a little bit larger and in charge. But after ISO's over, we're going to be skinny, so just making the most of it.
Yeah,
anyway,
skinny.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys again for the next one.